Hey guys, this is Prabhakaran Rajendran. I'm the founder of algo trading firm squareofbots.com. So I'm not going to talk about ChatGPT in this video. Instead, I want to share some real-time incidents where I've spoken to multiple traders through an event, an offline event that happened a couple of weeks before in Chennai, where it was organized by 5 Paise. It was an option convention event where some hundreds of traders from Chennai and from other parts of cities near to Chennai, they came to this event where I was able to interact with multiple traders, and most of the traders raised one concern or told them that this is the issue that we are facing currently, and they are trying to look for some solution for that particular problem. So I could relate to that problem much easier because even I have gone through that same phase. And what I'm seeing right now is most of the traders would also be in that phase where earlier finding a trading knowledge was extremely difficult, and finding or creating a trading system was extremely difficult. You need to know coding, you need to have no excellent background, only then you would be able to trade on your own with respect to your own trading system. So previously people just used to trade based on calls or what other people used to tell them, but now lot many people have access to the right trading knowledge, and lot many people have access to right trading tools. So due to the ease of access to these tools, lot many people have started system based trading now. And the problem currently is not the lack of resources, but the possibility of so many resources out there. If you open YouTube and type trading strategy, you can see n number of videos. And there are n number of channels and Instagrams and other places where people keep talking about the holy grail trading strategy. So what happens is currently these traders, what they face is like they always have a doubt with respect to the trading system which they trade, because they tend to think the other system which is being traded by the experts seems to be much superior than their system. So because of this, with every quarter basis or with every monthly basis, they track their performance. If their performance is not on par with respect to other traders, they want to shift from this trading system to that trading system. So this process of moving from one trading system to other trading system has been happening for a long time. It is not a recent phenomenon. It always used to happen, but now it is happening across all traders. No, even the experienced traders or even the new set of traders. It is mainly because of the social pressure that they get. So because we tend to compare our overall results through social media or any other platform. So we always tend to think that what we have is not up to the mark. So let's address this problem one by one. See, the major issue that we shift from one system to the other system is we are not ready to give enough time for that system to perform on its optimal level. Any system will always have this ups and downs. The only problem is whenever a particular trading system that you trade, when it undergoes a rough system for a prolonged period of time, that is when we tend to lose conviction with that system. So it is just like going to a gym. You know that you can't expect a good result from the first month or the second month. You know it takes a lot of consistency and effort that you need to go to the gym every single day, and over a year you could see a good result. Over 2 years or 3 years you tend to see a very good results. By 5 years you can totally drastically change from what you were 5 years before and then now. So similar to that, trading results or any kind of trading strategy will also need its own time. So if you expect the trading strategy to perform well every single month, that is not going to happen. You always tend to jump from one system to the other system. So no matter what, whatever the kind of trading system that you have finalized, try to give enough time to that specific system. And the second part is you always need to design the system that can adapt to your mindset. See, I'll tell you my own trading system. See, most of the people prefer option selling is because of the better winning accuracy than the option buying system. I'll show you how my own option buying system, which I have been trading in my personal account, as how many number of loss that it has given back to back. Can you take any guess? I'll show you how many number of losses that it has given me. So this is an option buying system where at one point of time, if you could see, I'm trading with all five instruments: Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, Sensex, Mid Cap, Nifty, all five indices. It has given me almost 27 losses back to back. Not even one trade has ended up in profit here. 27 trades has ended up in loss. If you exclude this to win, then it is like much higher. Like if you see, so almost, so in between there are only two losses, right? So until here, almost 47 losses. So out of 47, You just exclude for just 4 wins. So 43 losses I'm able to face. Irrespective of that, like if you calculate what is the overall P&L for this 47 trades, let me show you how much. So if you calculate what is the overall P&L, then I've lost almost 4 lakhs 24,000. So which is with the 1 crore of capital. So with 1 crore of capital, even after facing 43 losses, I'm still down only 4%. That is only because of the position sizing rules which I have implemented. But if you see the overall results, like how much it has overall made, so it has made almost 15 lakhs 17,775. So in spite of facing 43 losses back to back, still I'm able to make 15 lakhs of overall profits. So how many of you will have this kind of mindset to take a back-to-back losses with option buying system? So an option buying system might look lucrative looking at those premiums, 10 rupees premium going to 50 rupees or 100 rupees. But on the larger scale, on the larger number of trades, it is not that every single time that 10 rupees option is going to 100 rupees. So there will be multiple instances where you will tend to face losses with respect to option buying. So no, you have to ask yourself whatever the kind of system that you deploy, is that really right for your mindset? So with respect to option buying system, I have figured it out that okay, I'm okay to face back-to-back losses. But how much percentage should I risk? That will depend on my overall risk appetite. If I risking too much of percentage in each and every trade, even if I risk 1%, imagine 47 losses, then in 47 trades I'll lose 47 percentage of overall my capital. My half of the capital is gone. So in this case, I know I'll figure out, okay, I should not risk 1%. Probably I'll risk only 0.2%. I'll risk only 0.15%. So this way I can easily handle back to back multiple streaks of losses. But when I zoom out and see, after n number of trades, I'm still up 15% in spite of those many number of losses. So the final conclusion that I would say is, no matter what kind of system that you follow, so always give enough time. I always have this 100 days rule. Like no matter what kind of strategy you follow, I go wherever I go, I tend to give this advice. If you are really having that interest, that urge to deploy a specific system, don't try to deploy all your capital in that system. You just test the waters, and you don't test the waters just for 1 day, 2 days, 5 days. You have to get used to that system at least for 100 days, and then you need to figure out whether that system is suitable for you or not. So how do you decide that is, take an Excel sheet and write down the dates for the next 100 days. From if you're starting from Jan 1st, for the next 100 days, write down the dates. Next to the date, just enter your score. If you are following the system, give +1 mark. If you are not following the system, give -2 mark. That's all. Then add the overall score. The outcome is not really important here. Whether the trading system making profit or not is not important. Whether you are following the process is not is what important. What is the overall score that you might get after 100 days? So after 100 days, if you're still getting a mark of greater than 85, it means that you are a disciplined trader. If not, that system is still not suitable for you, because your mindset is contradicting with that particular system. So due to which you keep overriding your own rules, and because of that you would not be able to stick to the system. And when you're not disciplined enough to a system for long enough, then you are definitely not going to get good results. You'll jump from that system to other system. So this way you will totally avoid the system jumping process from one system to other system. You will avoid wasting your time on spending so much of time with respect to backtest on the weekends, losing your family time. So all those things will be totally out of your way. So this is what I want to convey in this video. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye.